Hi guys, it's Yaya. Let's turn these beautiful organic and pure butters into a skin-loving moisturizing cream. To make a simple beginner-friendly body cream or lotion, you will need water, oils and butters, an emulsifier to combine the water and oil phases, and a preservative. Oils and butters are the key to making an emulsion like cream or lotion, creamy. An emulsion is a stable mixture of liquids that don't normally mix, like oil and water. You need an emulsifier to bring them together, and I'll be showing you how today. To begin, I am using a combination of oils and butters from Oslove Organics. Thank you Oslove Organics for sponsoring this video. Oslove Organics now offers larger sizes for their oils, which is so exciting, and also new beautiful packaging. Definitely check them out in the description box below. So let's make this moisturizing body cream. Starting with the oil phase, I am cutting up my butters into smaller pieces so that they will melt easier. The first butter is mango butter, one of my favorite butters to use. It is a semi-hard butter with moisturizing and healing properties for hair and skin. It is a pale yellow butter with almost no odor. Next is Cupuacu Butter. It's a semi-soft yellowish butter that can help to nourish and soften the skin. I often use this butter for hair preparations as well. It does have a slight chocolatey odor. Next is organic shea butter. This butter has been lightly refined, retaining the moisturizing benefits of unrefined shea butter, but without the odor. It's a pure white soft butter. Last but not least is Murumuru Butter. It is a glossy white soft butter that restores the skin's barrier and soothes skin irritation. I love the glossy look it gives to body butters as well. Now that I have my butters, I am adding them to a large stainless steel bowl to melt down. First, let's add the rest of our oil phase. Depending on the formula, in most cases, this is the phase to add your emulsifier. For my emulsifier, I am using BTMS 50. This is one of the easier emulsifiers to use. It is beginner friendly and creates stable emulsions with softening and conditioning properties. It also helps to thicken the emulsion as well. Next, I am adding Kukui Nut oil and face and body oil from Oslove Organics to complete my oil phase. Kukui Nut oil is non-greasy and absorbs quickly in the skin. And I have been using Oslove Organics face and body oil for years in my DIY creation. It provides a combination of 12 organic virgin oils that take the guessing out of choosing oil combinations, and I absolutely love it. Now that we have our oil phase, we will set it to the side so that we can work on our water phase, which is only 2 ingredients: water and vegetable glycerin. I am using distilled water as the foundation for my cream and glycerin as my humectant to draw in moisture to the skin. Glycerin is water soluble and gives your cream and lotion a lovely skin feel. Oslove Organics now offers organic vegetable glycerin, which is truly exciting. Use it to enhance the moisturizing properties of your creams, lotions, and much more. Dissolve the glycerin into the mixture until it's clear, and then we will have our complete water and oil phases. Now all we have to do is melt down our oil phase and heat up our water phase to similar temperatures before combining. I am pouring my water phase directly into my oil phase. Then I am using a shear immersion blender to mix the phases until the mixture is uniform. It is essential to use an immersion blender to ensure your emulsion is stable. Remember, this is piping hot, so be careful. As we combine the phases, you can see that it has turned white, and this is how we have created our emulsion, which is how we make our cream. And this is how we get that luscious, beautiful creaminess that we're looking for. Remember, this is still hot, so of course the mixture is not at its final texture and viscosity. It will thicken up as it cools. After waiting a while, I used my thermometer to check the temperature. It was right around 96 degrees Fahrenheit, which is now safe for me to add my cool down phase. To start the cool down phase, I am pouring a small amount of the cream into a separate bowl. This is optional, but it's a great way to test adding additional ingredients without destabilizing the entire batch. However, I said before, BTMS 50 is a great emulsifier and it is rare for the emulsion to break. But to be on the safe side, as a beginner, try it this way. Add all of the heat-sensitive ingredients to the cooldown phase. This usually includes the preservative, vitamin E, and fragrance of your choosing. Adding a fragrance is optional for this formula. I am using a few drops of grapeseed essential oil, which has a light fruity aroma. Once everything is mixed together, check for any signs of the emulsion breaking before adding it back into the larger batch. It is common for the preservative to make the emulsion thinner temporarily. No worries, it will re-thicken. You can tell that your emulsion is broken if the oil is separating from the water. If you see clumps or pools of oil, something has went wrong. If the mixture is silky and smooth, you can add it back into the larger batch. Mix until uniform, and then you have your completed moisturizing body cream. It will take a few hours to maybe even overnight for the final texture to show. But for the most part, this is it. It's creamy and moisturizing and perfect for hydrating the skin. It absorbs quickly, is non-greasy, and soothing for the skin. This cream can be stored at room temperature or in the fridge. It should have a shelf life of 6 to 12 months. It can be stored in a pump bottle or a jar of your choosing. So yeah, that's it. Now all you have to do is enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed the video and making this simple body cream. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos to come. Don't forget to check the description box for links to all the ingredients below, and check out Oslove Organics for all of your DIY needs. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!